channel Anita Krishna. Today we are discussing very interesting topic, that is tourist attractions in Visakhapatnam area. Why I choose in this topic? We are discussing about the tourism guidance, that is the duties and responsibilities, what are the qualities of tour guide. In that way we learn to local area, we get knowledge about local area, which place you are doing job as a tour guide, to know about the destination, what are the attractions, what are the amenities, what are the transport facilities, we learn to each and every point of view. That's why I to select a topic of tourist attractions in Visakhapatnam area. After that I will explain you to what are the tourist attractions in India and also what are the tourist attractions in World Heritage Sites in upcoming videos. But today we are to discuss about these tourist places in Visakhapatnam area. Why? Because in Visakhapatnam area we have a long coastal area. That's why we are developing our beach areas. Why? Because every person to relaxation and recreation, in that way they are went to enjoy and relax sometime. They went to all beaches to enjoy and playing with water and watching the scenery of the beauty. That's why our Visakhapatnam is a tourism hub. In last 2 years, the tourism department is also more focused on Visakhapatnam area to around the hill stations and also to cultural and natural beauty of Visakhapatnam area. But this video I will explain in English and Telugu. Some of the viewers asking to, ma'am, please explain in the Telugu. That's why I will to explain English and Telugu. Okay, we will move to our Visakhapatnam beauty of the tourist attractions. We will discuss about the what are the attractions. In that attractions, that is the beauty of our beaches. We have a different beaches in around the Visakhapatnam area, that is Ramakrishna Beach, Yarada Beach, Bhimli Beach, and these around the Rishikonda. These are also two water, full of water, and enjoying the beauty, natural beauty of our Visakhapatnam people. And also every person to watching, to view of our Visakhapatnam area, they are definitely went to enjoy our beaches. That is why I will first explain the RK Beach. In RK Beach, a railway station to RK Beach, that is the distance 3.2. We have a transport facilities in any station, that is in railways and roadways and also airways. We will move to the one place to another place. We are to very enjoying the trainways. Why? Because we have to in train to Aruku, Lamsing, that way, and also we have in Indira Gandhi Geologic Park, and also in Kailasgiri we have to enjoy with train trips. That is the establishment of the train trip. We will enjoy the in beauty of Visakhapatnam area. That's why these are the transport facilities to coming to our Visakhapatnam area, in Hyderabad, in Tirupati, anyway to coming to in foreigners also to coming to Visakhapatnam area. We have a different modes, transport modes are visiting to in Visakhapatnam area. That's why in railway station to RK Beach 3.0 km, that is we will enjoy to RK Beach, that is in palm trees and coconut trees. We have to establishment of the natural beauty. In that way, that is the photo spots. Why? Because we are to every person to enjoying and take a pictures of memorable things. In beach area, in palm trees also we have a photo spots. We will took the photo spots. We will enjoy and also memorable things we will to remind each and every person. That's why the RK beach is a very famous thing. And next, Simhachalam temple. This is a religious place. Simhachalam temple, that is the to Simhadri Appanna. Every Hindu and other people also to went to Simhachalam temple. That is the very famous temple. In Hindus are praying for each and Saturdays, and also they went for each and every day. The Simhachalam temple, in railway station to Simhachalam temple, the distance is 18 kilometers. We will enjoying, and also in Simhachalam temple we have a very famous stupas. The Vijayanagaram Empire, the Sri Krishna Devaraya is to conquer the Vishakhapatnam area. In that time they established one stupa that is also be there in Simhachalam temple. The Simhachalam temple we have a enjoying, and also we pray and peace of our mind. Okay? This is the Simhachalam temple, that is the religious destination tourist attraction. And submarine INS. INS submarine is a very famous. Why? Because we never enter the submarines anyway. But this is the very famous in the RK beach area. To RK beach to submarine INS 1.7 km, walkable distance only. We went to submarine. That is the what are the functions of submarine? What are the view? That is the we will in the wars what we functions of submarine. That is the view of very beauty. What functions we will do in the submarines INS. And also this is the timings is 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. and also we have a we will buy 2 ticket, that is the children's are 20 rupees and adults 40 rupees. We enjoying the submarine INS also. And also Vishaka Museum, that is also in a RK beach 1.1 km. That's a very developments of Vishakhapatnam area in previous to present now. What are the developments? What are the monuments and what we are to developing there in past to present? These are the to exhibit the Vishaka Museum and coins and also dressing styles. These are also to exhibit the in Vishaka Museum. This is also in Saturday time. The timings are 2 to 8 p.m. and every day in another days are 11 to 7 p.m. and Friday is a holiday. Don't forget that Friday is a holiday for the Vishaka Museum. And Matsya Darsani. After that, that is the 260 meters to enjoying the in the RK beach, that is the 260 meters only, the walkable distance. That is also very famous. Why? Because all the varieties of fishes they exhibit in the Matsya Darsani. That is the fish aquarium. Every children's also to must visit the aquarium. మత్స్య దర్శిని అనేది చాలా ఫేమస్. ఎందుకంటే చిన్నపిల్లలు బాగా ఇష్టపడతారు. మంచి వెరైటీ ఉండేటటువంటి ఫిషెస్ మన దగ్గర బీచెస్లో కానివ్వండి, సముద్రంలో ఉండేటటువంటి సీ ఫిషెస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి అనేదంతా కూడా ఈ మత్స్య దర్శినిలో ఉంది. దిస్ aquarium is a very famous to visit, enjoying the children's and adults and younger teenagers also. This is the 260 meters to RK beach, that is the small distance only, the walkable distance. To definitely you watch and enjoy the Matsya Darsani. And after that, Kailasagiri. Kailasagiri is a very famous and beautiful scenery. మన విశాఖ అందాలన్నింటినీ కూడా చూడాలి అంటే మనం కైలాసగిరి వెళ్ళవలసిందే. కైలాసగిరి, why this name called Kailasagiri? The Shiva Parvati is to establish the statues of in Giri, that is the in hills. In కైలాసగిరిలో శివ పార్వతులిద్దరూ కూడా మనకి చక్కటి అందమైనటువంటి తో శిల్పాలను అక్కడ చెక్కారు. అందరూ కూడా ఫోటో స్పాట్ దే ఎంజాయింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో అక్కడ శివపార్వతుల దగ్గర ఫోటోలు దిగి ఎంతో ఆనందభరితంగా కలిగించేటటువంటి వాతావరణాన్ని మనం కైలాసగిరిలో చూడొచ్చు. ఇది మనకు ముఖ్యంగా ఏంటి అంటే ఆర్కే బీచ్ నుండి 9.3 km, that is the different distance between RK Beach to in Kailasagiri. And in this way, this is the very famous for the roadway and ropeway. Kailasagiri distance is we will went to roadway, there many buses and cars and vehicles are there, and also ropeway is also establishment of the enjoying the people to view of the Visakhapatnam city. మనకి మనం రోడ్డు ప్రయాణం కూడా చేయొచ్చు. అంటే మనం వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు అందరూ కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, we will went to Kailasagiri as a roadway, and after that the return back to ropeway we will view to city of Visakhapatnam area. That is a very famous and we are enjoying also. Ropeway is the to development of the tourism industry to very particular issue of attraction of the ropeway. Okay, this Kailasagiri is also very famous and park ఉంది. చక్కగా చిన్నపిల్లలు ఆడుకోవడానికి కానీ పెద్దవాళ్ళందరూ కూడా చక్కగా ప్రశాంతంగా కూర్చొని ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫ్యామిలీతో కానీ గ్రూప్ పిక్నిక్స్ కానివ్వండి, లేకపోతే ఏదైనా కూడా ఎంజాయ్ చేయడానికి కైలాసగిరి is a very famous tourist attraction. And after that Indira Gandhi Zoological Park, that is also to Kailasagiri to distance about the Indira Gandhi Zoological Park, the 5.7 km. మనకి దానికి బస్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి, లేకపోతే వెహికల్స్ కూడా మనం బుక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇందిరా గాంధీ జువాలజీ పార్క్లో ముఖ్యంగా మనం చూడవలసినవన్నీ కూడా రకరకాలైనటువంటి వైల్డ్ లైఫ్ శాంచురీస్ ఉండేటటువంటి ప్లేస్. మనం పూర్తిగా కూడా అన్ని రకాలైనటువంటి జంతువుల్ని ప్లస్ పిల్లలు చిల్డ్రన్స్ దే ఆర్ మోర్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అబౌట్ ది జూ. వై? బికాస్ దే ఆర్ watching to animals, that is the snakes, tigers, white tigers, lions and different monkeys, deers, like that they can enjoying the way to Indira Gandhi Zoology Park. జువాలజీ పార్క్లో కూడా ఏంటంటే ఒక ట్రైన్ సౌకర్యాన్ని కల్పించారు. ట్రైన్లో నుంచే మనం అన్నీ కూడా మొత్తం అన్నీ కూడా చూడటానికి అవకాశాన్ని కల్పించేటటువంటిది టూరిజం ఇండస్ట్రీ దాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. Zoology Park is also tourist attraction for the in the Visakhapatnam area. Next, Rishikonda Beach. This is the very famous for photo spot. Why? Because Rishikonda area is a to enjoying and watching the natural beauty. That's why this is also two resorts. Why? Because in the Rishikonda area we have some resorts are there to stay enjoying the natural beauty of the Rishikonda. That's why these resorts నుంచి మనం చూస్తే కనుక మొత్తం విశాఖపట్నం అందాలు, సముద్రం యొక్క అలలు అవన్నీ కూడా మనకి ప్రశాంత వాతావరణాన్ని కల్పిస్తాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో టు లుక్ ఇన్ టు ద Rishikonda. And after that Totlakonda. Tottakonda is a historical spot. Why? Because this is the Buddhist excavations. We will went to the we have to look into the all these stupas, shaityas and what they are conferences between the in the area. That is also to Buddhist excavation. In that time we have a historical spot, that is the Totlakonda. We will look into the each and every to enjoy and get knowledge about our previous history. That is the Totlakonda area. And after that Bimli Beach. This is a very famous, and we will look into the lighthouse also. Bimli Beach is also in coastal area and we have to look into the lighthouse. But present now in pandemic situation we are not entering the lighthouse, but after that we will look into the lighthouse also. This is the Bimli Beach and Yarada Beach. These are also very famous for the in the Visakhapatnam area. That is the high hill space, that is the dolphin nose is there. We will look into the area is like that. That's why we will call the dolphin nose. That is area we will look into the definitely every each and Visakhapatnam people are went to visit the dolphin nose and Arada Beach. And also after that the Borra Caves. బొర్రా కేవ్స్ అంటే అరకు అందాలు మనం ఎంత బాగా చూడాలి అనుకునేటప్పుడు బొర్రా కేవ్స్ అనేవి మనం చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఈ బొర్రా కేవ్స్లో మనం న్యాచురల్ బ్యూటీ, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ నాట్ మ్యాన్ మేడ్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ natural made. That's why natural products we gone to the Borra caves. That is the very famous. We will went to visit the Borra caves in the train or bus, any vehicles also. And ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈ అరకులో ఉండేటటువంటి పద్మావతి గార్డెన్స్ కానివ్వండి, ట్రైబల్ మ్యూజియంస్ కానివ్వండి, బొర్రా కేవ్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మంచి మన ఒక ఎంజాయ్ చేయడానికి ఉండేటటువంటి మంచి ప్రదేశాలు. అంతేకాకుండా ఇక్కడ మనం చాలా పిక్చర్స్ కూడా, మూవీస్ కూడా దే ఆర్ టేకెన్ ఇన్ బొర్రా కేవ్స్ అండ్ యారాడా బీచ్ అండ్ భీమిలి బీచ్. దే విల్ బి దట్స్ వే ఇన్ movie industry is also to establishment in Visakhapatnam area. Why? Because they have to natural beauty in the Visakhapatnam area. In Borra caves and Yarada beach, Bhimli beach and Lamsing, these are areas are natural beauty. We will take the pictures and movies and short films to everywhere. That's why the Visakhapatnam area is a tourism hub. We are called to the tourism hub. And after that, Lamsing. This area is also very coolest place, and visiting to the we are calling that the Ooty, mini Ooty. We are calling to Araku and Lamsing is a అంటే ఒక చిన్నపాటి ఊటీని మనం చూసినట్టుగా చూడొచ్చు. అక్కడ వాటర్ ఫాల్స్ కానివ్వండి, చాపరాయి, తర్వాత కటికా వాటర్ ఫాల్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ వాటర్ ఫాల్స్ ఆల్సో we will enjoying and playing with water and also the natural beauty of these areas. The Lamsing is also very famous in waterfalls, and also there are entries and snowfalls like that. In present now in December, January months we are visiting to Lamsing in Araku. That is a very beautiful areas. Okay, and next Kambalakonda. This is also Kambalakonda, that is the wildlife sanctuaries. Why? Because we have to not look into some animals in zoo, in Indira Gandhi Zoo Park, but we will look into the Kambalakonda, that is the hill station, and also around the wildlife sanctuaries are there. అంటే క్రీకారణ్యం అనేటువంటి అడవుల్లో మనం ఎప్పుడు చూడలేనటువంటి జంతువుల్ని, డీర్లు కానివ్వండి, అలాంటి వాటిని కూడా మనం పూర్తిగా కూడా చూడటానికి దానికి కూడా అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద కంబాలకొండ ఫేమస్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ బొజ్జన్నకొండ. Bozanakonda is a very famous Buddhist monuments and historical spot. We will look into what are the Buddhist monks are praying for the conference halls and praying halls, and also they looking for the each and every point of view, what we are made for the conference halls, what their monks are sitting to each and every one. That is the bricks area. We will look into the in Bojanakonda. Bojanakonda is also very famous for the historical place. And Rose Hill Church. Rose Hill Church అనగానే మనకు గుర్తొచ్చేది ఏంటంటే Christians are went to that is also the religious prayers, the religious place only the Christians are. And also after that every religion peoples also went to the peace of mind. They are praying for the God, that is the peace of mind. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏంటంటే ఆ చుట్టుపక్కలంతా కూడా మనం ఆ రోజ్ హిల్స్ చర్చ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఆ చుట్టుపక్కల వాతావరణం ఈ మనల్ని ఆనందపరుస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా మంచి మంచి ఫొటోస్ కానివ్వండి, పిక్చర్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఫిల్మ్స్ కూడా ఎక్కువగా తీయటానికి దానికి అవకాశం ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి అంటే లాస్ట్ది విశాఖపట్నం సిటీ షాపింగ్ మాల్స్. విశాఖపట్నం అనగానే ఎవరైతే విజిటింగ్ చేయడానికి వస్తారో కంపల్సరిగా వాళ్ళు షాపింగ్ మాల్స్కి వెళ్తారు, షాపింగ్ చేయకుండా తిరిగి వెళ్ళరు. అలా మన సిటీ యొక్క షాపింగ్ మాల్స్ చూసుకుంటే జగదాంబ సెంటర్, ద జగదాంబ జంక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఎ వెరీ ఫేమస్ ఫర్ ది షాపింగ్ అండ్ all the class of the people. Why? Because the middle class people, low class people and high class people also to visiting to Visakhapatnam area. The cheap rates are in the Jagadamba Junction. They buy so many items. And also CMR shopping mall, and also they have a exhibit for all the varieties of the థింగ్స్ దట్ ఈస్ ద లేపాక్షి ఎంపోరియం. లేపాక్షి ఎంపోరియంలో మనం చూస్తే కనుక బ్రాస్ ఐటమ్స్, గ్లాస్ ఐటమ్స్, తర్వాత ఆల్ వెరైటీ మన ఫోటో మంచి గ్యాలరీస్ కానివ్వండి కొనుక్కోవాలనుకుంటే కనుక లేపాక్షి ఎంపోరియం కూడా ఉంది. అలా ఏంటి అంటే దీస్ ఆర్ ది సిటీస్ షాపింగ్ మాల్స్ కూడా మనం చూడొచ్చు. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఏంటంటే విశాఖపట్నంలో వీఆర్ లుకింగ్ టు ఎంజాయ్ ద విశాఖపట్నం ఏరియా to know about the tourist attractions in Visakhapatnam area. Miki video, you are like this video, please subscribe my channel and give a share, like and comment on the comment box and also share others. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇంకా మీకు ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి ఏవైనా కావాలి అనుకుంటే డిస్క్రిప్షన్లోని నేను మొత్తం విశాఖపట్నంలో చూడదగిన ప్రదేశాలన్నీ కూడా మీకు లింక్ షేర్ చేస్తాను. అందులో మీరు చూసి తెలుసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.